Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. These are six of the fly or mosquito zappers, the fluorescent tube. So if you have a tube that is broken and your zapper is not going to work because the circuit has been cut off. Because I was trying to improvise and then add an LED, but unfortunately the circuit is got cut off because when the tube is broken, it cut out the whole circuit. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased 6 of this with the Prime member free shipping and then plus tax, $14.99 plus tax. So yeah, let's go and then open this up and check them out. Unfortunately, the fluorescent doesn't last long. The LED does, but I didn't want to spend too much money on it. 24-hour after sales service center email. This one is the F10T8 BL, mean blue, I guess, insert attracting lamp, UVA 365 nanometer wave length. Best wishes for you and your family 6-pack. And the product is made in China. So the machine I have is required 2. So I'm going to open this 2 and then insert them. So yeah, try not to get your finger print on the tube. Well, I hope it's not broken. By the way, I'm going to test out all the tubes in case there's some defect. So it says 13-inch. So let's go downstairs and then test all of them, and then hopefully they all work. So as you can see, this is the zapper, and I put the 2 LED in there. So yeah, make sure you unplug the cable before you work on it, because you don't want to get zapped. So I use like a trash bag wire to wire this tube, but unfortunately, it didn't work. So you pop it and to remove it. I'm gonna wear my glove. So yeah, let's go and then pop this in, test it out. So you align it with the plug or connector on both sides, and then you're gonna turn it, rotate. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it on and test them out. Make sure it's off. Oh, there you go. So I'm going to test out all 6 of them. Let's see. Oh. Four down, 2 more to go. Alright, so I test out all of them and it's working. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I always peace.